Calabar High is represented this evening by Team Captain Devontae Grant, Anando Bailey, Ronald Powell, and Dimitri Tariq Harris. While Ardenne High is represented by Team Captain Sean Daya, Faith Chambers, Roger Peaches, and Jada Wadsworth. Hello and welcome to this opening match in the best of three quarter-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. In this best of three quarter-final series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the semi-final round. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. So earlier we had the toss. Calabar High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Calabar High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, Calabar. So we'll begin with Spanish. What business place is La Zapateria?
The shoe store.
The shoe store.
Good. Spanish for Ardenne. What business place is La Panaderia?
The bakery.
That's right. International affairs, a visual one for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Mohamed Shiani.
Mohamed Shiani.
No, that's Mohamed Bazoum, the president of Niger. International affairs for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Ali Bongo Ondima.
President of Sudan. That's right. Literature for Calabar. Which Shakespearean character spoke the maximum number of lines in a single play?
Hamlet.
That's right. Literature for Ardenne. At the beginning of which play by William Shakespeare did a monarch decide to retire and divide his kingdom among his daughters?
King Lear.
King Lear.
That's right. Music and audio one for Calabar. Listen to the following clip. Identify the piece.
Four Seasons.
No, it's the William Tell Overture by Rossini. Music for Ardenne. Listen to the following clip. Identify this piece.
Overture.
1812 Overture.
No, it's the Four Seasons by Vivaldi. French for Calabar. What number is 79?
79.
79.
That's right. French for Ardenne. What number is 85?
85.
85.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Sarah Goldberg.
Sarah Goldberg.
No, it's Christina Applegate. Theatre and cinema for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Charlie Sheen.
Charlie Sheen.
That's right. Biology for Calabar. What is the name for the formation of a blood clot limiting the natural flow of blood?
Embolos.
I know. Thrombosis. Biology for Ardenne. Derived from a word meaning pertaining to a gland. What is the name for a type of non-cancerous tumor that may affect various organs?
Benign tumor.
No, it's an adenoma. Sport, a visual one for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Ferran Torres.
From Barcelona, correct. Sport for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Enzo Martes.
Enzo Martes.
No, it's Joselu, a Real Madrid footballer. Bible knowledge for Calabar. In which of his epistles does Paul state, "Study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that needeth not be ashamed"?
All right. First Thessalonians.
First Thessalonians.
No, 2 Timothy. Bible knowledge Ardenne. In which of his epistles does Paul state, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering"?
Galatians.
Correct. English language for Calabar. What is the collective noun in this sentence? The major event started with the band playing the school anthem.
Bond.
That's right. English language for Ardenne. What is the collective noun in this sentence? The bench of judges gave the unanimous verdict on the case.
Bench.
Bench is correct. General knowledge for Calabar. Which international motor company owns the brands Bugatti, Lamborghini, Audi, Porsche, and Ducati?
Bugatti.
General Motors.
General Motors. General Motors.
No, it's Volkswagen. General knowledge for Ardenne. Who is often credited with creating the world's first motor car?
Ardenne.
That's right, Art. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores are Calabar High on 5 points, Ardenne High taking the early lead on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.